Hello and welcome to this R tutorial. So now in this new step of the cleaning process, we will remove all the punctuations in the reviews of the corpus, and it's going to be as simple as before. We will copy this line, paste it below, and instead of remove numbers here, we will input remove punctuation. As simple as that. We don't need anything else, and that's ready to remove any punctuation in all the reviews of the corpus. All right, so let's check it out. We can actually check it out with the first review. Wow, 3 little dots love this place. And so what we're supposed to obtain after applying this remove punctuation function on all the reviews of the corpus through the tmap function, well, the 3 little dots are supposed to disappear. All right, so let's check it out. So remember, in the actual version of the corpus right now, the first review is, wow, 3 little dots love this place. So now let's select this new line of code, execute, new corpus of reviews created with all the punctuation removed. So let's go back to the console and let's press the up arrow to get the line of code that is giving us access to the first review. Here it is. So let's press enter now. And as you can see, the 3 little dots disappeared. Therefore, that's exactly what the remove punctuation function does here. It removes any kind of punctuation, including dots, commas, colons, semicolons, or any other kind of punctuation. All right, so next step done, we are ready to move on to the next step, which will be to remove all the non-relevant words in the reviews. So for example, if we have a look at this first review here, well, this is not very relevant. This doesn't give any hint on knowing whether the review is positive or negative. So this is typically a word that we don't want to have in the final sparse matrix because this is not relevant. So we will remove it in the next step of the cleaning process, and we'll do the same for all the other words of the same kind. So let's do that in the next tutorial, and until then, enjoy machine learning!